Hello everyone and welcome to Prime Review 2.0, the channel where we review the best products on the market to help you make informed decisions. Today we will talk about the CHEFROBOT, a multifunctional kitchen robot that promises to revolutionize the way you cook. Before continuing, remember to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell so you don't miss any of the posts. Introducing the Smart Food Processor, the ultimate all-in-one multi-cooker and cooking robot. Experience 15+ cooking modes, from slow cook to sous vide, all in one device. Guided cooking with a 7-inch touchscreen makes every meal a masterpiece. Wi-Fi enabled, control your cooking with the CHEFROBOT app. Access hundreds of smart recipes across 10 categories, all at your fingertips. Designed for everyone, from beginners to culinary artists. Self-cleaning feature makes cleanup a breeze. Subscribe to our channel to see more product reviews. Chop, steam, blend, and more with precision and ease. Regular updates and recipe additions keep your cooking experience fresh. Create your own recipes and share them with the CHEFROBOT community. Compact design fits perfectly on any countertop. Make cooking enjoyable again with CHEFROBOT, your personal kitchen assistant. The CHEFROBOT has excellent value for money. It is a multifunctional kitchen robot with great performance and a lot of features. If you are looking for a kitchen robot that helps you cook easily and quickly, the CHEFROBOT is an excellent option. Leave a comment on this video to share your opinion about the CHEFROBOT. Click on the link below to buy the CHEFROBOT on Amazon. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time for a new product review.